And with less time at the DMV, you might have some extra time this summer to try some new things on the grill. Our partners at Better Homes and Gardens are sharing how to make a grilled veggie pasta salad. Check it out. Using your favorite summer veggies, lightly brush each one with a tablespoon of olive oil. Then grill each vegetable fully. 3 to 5 minutes for asparagus, 10 minutes for onions, 10 minutes for sweet peppers, and 10 minutes for zucchini. After the veggies are fully cooked, cut them evenly, about a ½ inch each. Toss them in a large bowl. All of the vegetables should be tender from grilling. Make sure, though, to let them cool before you begin this next process. Combine cooked pasta into the bowl of veggies. Mix evenly. Top with olive oil, balsamic vinegar, salt, and black pepper. Continue to stir to mix the seasonings. Top with fresh oregano and Parmesan cheese.